Matt Santagapita from the Mulligan Realty Group, and this is another episode of our Money Market Update. So stats are in. A little bit of an interesting past week, I guess we'll say, as all of the numbers are down, and I'm going to explain why. So new listings in the past week in London came in at 126, conditional sold at 33, sold pending closing at 86, and number of price decreases came in at 16. Now, what's interesting about all these numbers is compared to the previous week, all these numbers are down. For instance, new listings are down roughly about 20%, a little over 20%. Conditional sold listings are down 60%. Sold pending listings are down 20%. A number of price decreases are down 50%. Now, the price decrease kind of explains itself. Again, when you start to see a drop in the market, that's what kind of happens. But the explanation of why has this occurred in the market: weather. So we're at that time of year where everybody sees spring right around the corner. And when we get these little blips in our weather, so where all of a sudden it's sunny and that lasts for a number of days and it warms up, activity will start to pick up. But then all of a sudden, winter reminds us we're not through winter yet. And when we get into these little blips, then where all of a sudden it gets really cold again, or we get a dumping of snow, it does cause these quick little reactions to the market where people just say, you know what, I'm not going out and looking. It was nice 2 days ago, and then now we have snow and it's super cold. I'll wait till it warms up again. So that's what's probably going on. There's nothing crazy other than that happening in the market, let's say like interest rates or different things like that. However, other than just the I think the other bigger issue here, though, is that really we are in this point of maybe, and I'm saying maybe, not saying this is a guarantee, but I feel this way, is that people are kind of just settling for where they're at. There's not as much inventory for certain things. First-time home buyers are having a hard time getting into the market right now. So all those types of things are causing a chain reaction through the market to the different price points. So that could also be going on. I think we need a little bit more data for 2024 to kind of say that might be some of it. I really do believe this little blip of a week is really tied to the weather. Anyways, again, it's Matt Santagapita from the Mulligan Realty Group, and this has been another episode of our Money Market Update.